Hey guys, so I decided to do a little video showing off the freehand sharpening kit I have, which is the J. Davis one, the beginner freehand sharpening kit. And I can't say enough good things about this. It's the coarse, extra fine, the 306 ultra fine, and then the knives plus strop block. And I've been able to get consistent hair whittling edges on this. The coarse takes off a lot of metal pretty quickly. I used that to reprofile my Tenacious. The ultrafine gives a really nice finish, and then the extra fine DMT gives a really nice finish, and then the 306 just like mirror finishes the edge and gives it that final touch. And I don't know what it is, but when I try to sharpen D2, even though I stay on the 306 for a while, it still turns out toothy, and I think that's just the steel. And if you do hear barking in the background, that's my stupid dogs that feel like they have to bark at everything. And the knives plus strop block, really soft leather, so you have to be super light on your strokes, and it's not like a big sharpening strop. It's just like that final touch once again. And yeah, I've sharpened all my knives on that, gotten really nice edges. Hold on. Fuck. Sorry about that, guys. Stupid people calling during my videos. Fucking annoying. Alright, I'm just gonna cut this video short right here. See you guys next time.